How to use a PowerPoint mobile app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint app easy and fast. So after you download the app, as you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to create a new presentation, all what you have to do is go here, click on this little icon in the top corner. Now choose the type and or the theme that you want to your presentation. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here. Click on it and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page. Now right here you can change, as you can see, double tap to add title like this, and you can add a title very easy and fast. After you finish editing all the pages and all this stuff, all what you have to do is click here in the top corner and click save from here. It's very easy and fast. And if you want to add new slides or new page, click here again and click new slide. As you can see, very easy to use, and you can edit everything from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.